beautiful day. Kid Pig, what did I tell you about being outside? You're still grounded. What? This was never a rule. Well, now it is. Oh, I hate you, Redbird. Why do you always do this to me? Because I hate you. Well, I hate you too. How about that, huh? Huh? Kid Pig, I gotta go somewhere. To a trash can? What? No. It's not a trash can. A dumpster fire? Stop with the trash cans. Where are you going? I just have to go to a meeting. I'll be on my way. To behave. Well, I guess this is time for another revenge plan. I know. I'll hire a ninja to kill Redbird. Haha. Hey, there's one over there. He seems very sleepy. Should I find another one? Well, where am I gonna find another one? It's the only one chance opportunity. Hey, it's a ninja. Wake up! What? Well, I need you to knock out someone and kill him. Like who? Well, you see, I need you to kill my father, Redbird. Is that too extreme? No questions. Alright, fine, I'll go do it. Excellent. Who are you? I was sent by Kid Pig to go kill you. Of course. Now it's time to kill you. Oh, please. No. Another failed Kid Pig's attempts. Move. What the? Come here, Kid Pig. You're grounded. Oh no. You're grounded. You're grounded.